everybody. You know me. I'm Amy from the Run Eat Drink podcast at runeatdrink.net. But I am coming to you from Splitsville. And joining me is the general manager, Mike Crave.
Morning, everybody.
Welcome to one of the most unique experiences on Disney property and at Walt Disney World. It's bowling, but it is elevated. What attracted me to Splitsville is, you think about bowling,
Right.
and you think about it's cheap beer, it's fast food, it's
Right.
stuff like that. But here, you have taken the food game and taken it to the 10th degree.
Right.
Talk about that a little bit.
It really starts at the top with our group. I think we all have families, we all bring our kids out, and we also, once again, want to make a one-stop shop for everybody. And we know the value of freshness can't be beat. And in doing so, we have 700 dining seats outside of our 30 bowling lanes. We need to fill those seats. How do you do it? You do it with fresh ingredients. There's a lot of folks down here that are high volume that do a phenomenal job. And let's be honest, there's a lot of chef-driven restaurants down here. So, we have to keep up with those folks, and I think we exceed expectations with our menu. And I think freshness, like I said, you just can't beat it.
Mike,
You're
listen,
welcome.
this, you and Heather and Matt, you all, it's like you have a family here, and there is love in everything